So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a circle on your paper like this. Just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to make it as even as possible. So underneath that circle, you're going to make a triangle. Just like that. Then below that, you're going to make a rectangle. Like that. So, in the second step, if you would like to use a pencil, feel free. You're going to connect these. So you would do that by making something like that. But I'm not going to show you how to do that because it's too confusing. So now you have these three shapes: a circle, a triangle, and a square. I'm going to move you on to the next step. So scoot on down the paper with me. Same circle. But in this time, we're going to be connecting the triangles in all three shapes. So draw a line like that, another line like that. That, in a sense, is a triangle. It's just not pointing at the top. So you'll have something, you'll be coming from something like this to this in a matter of seconds. So connect your rectangle at the bottom like that. Okay? Step 3. Draw another shape like that. Same shape from before. And the reason I'm showing you this way because I want you to see the process that it takes to draw a standing figure. And the instructions, I'll just go straight on in, but this is a little bit more detailed, because you can visually see it on the video. So on this shape, you're going to draw 2 lines right here. And that's going to be his arms. On the bottom of his arms, he has hands. Okay? Draw a line in the middle of the first line that you drew, and those are his feet. Draw some feet on the bottom. Like that. So on the last step, you're just going to combine everything that we just did together. Start again with what, guys? A circle. Connect this. Same steps I just did. And just combining them all together. Okay? And some feet for our dad. Okay? Give him some background, because he's standing on a hill. And we're going to draw his facial features. So start with the line going up and like that. Okay? You can color it in now. And because he has short hair. Let's give our man some ears. Okay? His little eyes. His nose. And he has a huge smile on his face because he's happy to see you. And he's a working dad. Working. We're going to give him a tie. And there you have it. It's your very own man. Let me zoom in so you can see just exactly what it looks like. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're done. So I hope you find these steps useful, and I can't wait to see how you make yours look. This is how you draw a stick figure, meaning that he doesn't move, he doesn't have any arm motions, and that's it. So have a great day. Bye.